Hey guys, so today for this look I am going to be showing you guys how I did this dramatic mermaid look. I don't know, but yeah, it's really extra, so much glitter, super like bright as colors. I would not wear this out, but I mean like just for fun I decided to do this look and I actually liked how it came out. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. So all I did was just do one eye off camera. And now to show you guys how I did this look, I am going to first grab a flat brush and I am going to apply the whitest shade in the Morphe 35B palette. This is the only palette we're going to be using today, so yeah, and I'm just going to be putting that all over my lid as a base. Okay, and then I'm going to grab a big fluffy brush like this and I'm going to be using the teal shade, like greenish almost, in the palette, so like this one right here, and I am going to put that all over my lid as a transition shade. And I'm just going to make sure I drag it to the corner, to the tip of my eyebrow, because we are going to be cutting my cutting the crease. So, and with this look you want to make sure you blend that shit hella good because we're using like such dramatic colors. Okay, and once you got it how you like it, then you're gonna grab the like turquoise color next to the purple, so this one right there, and I'm going to put that on with the smaller blending brush, and I'm just going to put that underneath the transition shade. And then with the pencil brush, I'm going to grab the blue shade in the palette, so this one right here underneath the purple. And I'm just going to be making a line to where I am going to cut the crease. So I'm just going to be tracing my crease. Okay, and then grabbing the fluffy brush, I'm going to just blend that. Alright, so once you have it blended, you are going to grab a flat brush, and like always I'm going to use my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, and I'm going to be cutting my crease with this. Alright, and then if you mess up or anything, you can always go back and clean up the line that you did. But right now that doesn't matter because we're going to be applying the glitter. So with the Master Prime concealer, oh my god. With the Master Prime face primer, I'm going to be applying some on my lid. And I'm just using some silver loose glitter. I don't know where I got this one from because it doesn't have a name, but you can literally just grab any silver glitter. I'm going to grab the pencil shade and I'm going to go in with that blue shade we used to trace the crease, and I'm going to just be making it more defined. And then now I'm going to be putting on the eyelashes. Alright, now I'm going to grab that blue shade again, and I'm just going to be putting that on my under eye. And then I'm just gonna put mascara on my bottom eyelashes. Okay, and just to be extra, I'm going to be just using like these like little diamond studs I got at like Walmart. I think I got them at Walmart. Okay guys, so all I did was just put on the little diamond thingies, and that's basically it. And then I added a little like choker diamond necklace just to make it a little more extra, you know. And yeah, so like this look looks so exaggerating. I feel like a drag queen for real, but I really love this extraness. I came out my comfort zone today and I used like some really bright ass colors, so yeah, but I ended up liking how it came out. Yeah, I hope you guys liked it as well, and I will see you guys in my next video.